According to research performed by Rescue Time, on an average 3 hours and 15 minutes people spend on their mobile phone, and that's in 2018. But another study found in pandemic time, the screen time is increased from 3.5 hours to 5 hours, and that's insane. We wake up and start using our mobile phone, and we go to our bed dropping our mobile. That's how we addicted to the device. But we have to stop using our smartphones and start working, and that comes to play Forest app. This will help you to stay focused on your work and limit your screen time to the least amount of time. The app is awarded and recognized by 30 plus platforms including Forbes, Business Insider, Life Hackers, and the New York Times Entrepreneurs, and many more publications. You just have to set your reminder, and the app will block all the applications in the interval of time, and when you finish that time, don't touch your smartphone. You will get a small and beautiful plant of your virtual plant. When you click on the start planting option, then you will see an interface of a little round time with a small tree inside the time, and encourages you to start the timer by saying start planting today. The timer is with at least 10 minutes, and you can expand up to 3 hours as your requirement. And we have to start using the app with deep focus mode. The deep focus mode can help you to stay focused and avoid any type of distractions from other apps while you are working. You can plant a tree, and planting many more trees, and growing a virtual forest like an actual forest in Forest app. Forest app is making real forest by collaborating with trees.org, and they planted many more trees according you can see in the screen. This is a very interesting project. You can contribute to those all by taking their pro plan and plant a real tree. Once the deep focus mode is on, you will automatically guided back to the Forest app to continue your focus on your work. If you leave the app during the planting section or the time is active, when you click on the deep focus mode to active, you will see the below page where you can see lots of options to active. You have to give the given permissions to active the deep focus mode, like current statuses of your mobile phone to track there whether you are activating any apps or not, floating windows, battery, and notification permissions. The app will help you to get rid of distractions and start staying focused while you are working. How? Just select the time you want to work for. Start the timer and start working. If you are a person who checks their phone frequently, then I will suggest you to turn the deep focus mode, and then all applications will be blocked until the section is not completed. But if you give up between the section, then the tree will die and you have to start planting again. This way you will be more focused while you are working, and the app will force you to work if you are procrastinating, and force you to be not procrastinating and start doing your work. After complete the section, the app will say you to be how many times you want to take a break. This is very effective in a time management strategy where you can manage your time by taking breaks in the work interval and performing well. Those are many alternatives, and the one alternative I would suggest is available on all of your devices. Easy freedom. To see more about it on the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Forest app is a great tool to explore and definitely make a try. Those are many features that are impressive to use in the app and make the app more beautiful. They are trying to contribute to the world in a great way by planting trees, the real trees. Make sure to give a little favor commenting down on how this forest app review help for you. Make sure to check out the detailed article about this in the description, or you can go to productivitysite.com. Thank you.